Good everyone, I am the president of the Stitch Together Union or STU, representing the dedicated workers of Metro Garment Manufacturing Incorporation. Today, I want to share our union's vision, mission, and an important advocacy we are fighting for: fair minimum wage for all our members. This is our official STU logo. The needle and thread represent the work every day we do, while the scissors and sewing machine symbolize our skills and craftsmanship. The handshake and silhouette shows our unity and solidarity. The colors red for courage, blue for trust, and gold for hope reflect the strength and spirit of every worker. Finally, 2026 marks the year of our union was formed, a new voice standing up for fair wage and workers' rights. Our vision is a workplace where every garment worker receives a fair and livable wage, ensuring dignity, financial security, and a better quality of life. Our mission is to advocate for a fair minimum wage, educate members about their rights, unite workers for collective action, and work with management to ensure transparency and fairness in pay. As a member of STU, we have the power to create change. Stand together, know your rights, and demand for minimum wage. Let us unite, speak up, and negotiate for the compensation we truly deserve. Remember, when we stitch together, we are stronger, and our voice cannot be ignored. Thank you for being part of the Stitch Together Union. Together, we will secure fair wages and a bright future for every workers at Metro Garment Manufacturing Incorporation. Thank you.